Forearm flexor exercises ranked and explained.
What kind of exercise is this? These are dumbbell wrist curls. They are a fine exercise that don't require much equipment. It has a bell-shaped resistance profile, which isn't bad, considering the multiple flexors of the wrist are benefited by different resistance profiles, so bell-shape gives a good middle ground. 7 out of 10.
What kind of exercise is this?
These are cable wrist curls. Depending how you position yourself with the cable machine, it can be ascending or descending resistance profile. Very good choice. 8 out of 10.
What kind of exercise is this?
This is the barbell wrist curl. It's not bad, but it is subject to the bilateral force deficit, and is also subject to being stuck as an ascending resistance profile. Not a terrible option just to get your forearms over with, though. 5 out of 10.
What kind of exercise is this?
This is a doohickey forearm machine. I want one. 10 out of 10 with the gold star.
Ding! What kind of
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, honestly, there aren't many ways to isolate the forearm. I just really want that dope-ass machine. Follow from educational gym slap like this.